Okay, take five. Because every single time I've done this, it's been laggy as fuck. But today's another trade recap. I made lots of mistakes and I also did quite a few things right as well. Finished break even, didn't make any profit, didn't lose anything. So I'll go onto the chart and then I'll show you if it works. Because this shit's been laggy as fuck. I might have to record this later. Okay, so obviously, first of all, I looked at the daily bias. So clearly we're on an uptrend. Weekly bias is also an uptrend as well. But I'll run off with the first mistake I made. I did not check this bit where there's clearly a fair value gap in between there. So when it got to that point where around where I entered, it was just slow as fuck. I did see quite a few confluences, but I did not take this into I did not take this into account that okay, maybe we might see some resistance of this. So that was the first mistake I made. 15-minute time frame. This is like it's pissing me off. Okay, so I entered. So I see a fair value gap here. We had an order block here. Doesn't look like it, but on a different time frame, I think it's a 5-minute time frame. There we had an order block here. So went down. Was it an order block? Yeah. No, fuck it. Okay, so we had an order block here. I was waiting. I was looking around here, so I see price is starting to go down a little bit. So I was thinking, okay, it's made an order block already, and then it's gone up, as you can see by these green candles here. And I was thinking, okay, it was around there. I was thinking, okay, it's going to go down, retrace into this order block, and then it's going to shoot up into a liquidity sweep. But again, that did not happen. So I waited a little bit and also marked out a fair value gap here, which you can see it literally went to the bottom of that. There was fair value gap on the 5-minute time frame. So it went up. I must have placed my trade around here when I saw a break of structure on the. I saw one on the five. There was going to be one on the 5-minute, and I saw a strong one on the 1-minute, so I did enter there. But technically opened there. So it was kind of going up and down for half an hour. And then I'm realizing, look, I had my take profit previously all the way up here, which was another big mistake I made. I must have had my take profit above here or something. I had 3 take profits because I was gonna open 3 positions, but I realized this. I was like, hold on a second, this is moving so slowly, and it could be risky because my take profit is way too high. My stop loss was also all the way down here. Again, I've noticed this many times that I keep putting my stop loss way too low, and then I have my take profit way too high. So that's one thing I made a mistake on, because technically my one of my take profits would have been like 50%, and that's like kind of a bit, why the fuck would I do that? So that was a big mistake for me. And then it kind of got to around here, and then I noticed it. I looked on the 1-day time frame, and I do see we're in the middle of a fair value gap, and I'm like, okay, I don't know if I entirely trust where I've entered. Again, it could genuinely just go up from a liquidity sweep from there, which I would have thought would happen. But that was a mistake from me, so I was like a little bit, okay, this may have been a stupid decision because last few days I've found it hard to find actual like good entries, so I haven't actually entered. But that's kind of the rundown on it. And then obviously it did go low. This was I just moved my stop loss there and then I broke even. But you can see it's going down, so I don't think it would have worked in my favor. But I will keep my eye on it. And obviously I've written down what I did wrong that I can improve for next time. But again, I'm kind of glad that I did stop and notice that I made a mistake when I did, because otherwise, again, this is only a demo anyway. But I do want to be able to just accurately predict where price is going to go every single time. So it's not really about the money right now. It's just about kind of like trying to fix mistakes, make mistakes, learn from them. You know what I mean? I mean, yeah. You can see on the 5-minute time frame, you can see a fair value gap there. This was the order block that I saw. And then I saw, okay, price is starting to, so I thought it's going to retrace, but it didn't. So again, it's a short one. It's just a little trade recap. But again, I wouldn't. It's not a loss, but definitely not a win either. But that's all. So I'll do another trade recap as well. I'm just doing trade recaps at the moment, and then I'll try do some other shit as well. But that's it.